Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to plant some taro roots. Taro plants are mainly grown for taro roots. Taro roots are cooked like potatoes, they are like tubers. The plants can grow from 3 to 6 feet tall and they have large leaves and they look pretty beautiful. The plants require warm temperature, 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and they should be planted in early summer. They require a lot of water. The soil should be consistently moist. And of course, they require a lot of sun too, and the soil should be rich. Any tuber requires, rich soil. If you want to harvest the roots, you should wait till the leaves start to turn yellow and kind of die down and then dig them up. So I have these taro roots. Uh, I kept them in a plastic bag and misted it a little bit, and I can see that they have sprouted. Like, look at this one. It's a very nice sprout. This one has a small one. Even this one has it. So almost all of them have sprouted. So this is what we are going to plant as it is. So here I have a planter in which I have, compost. It's mostly compost and little bit of perlite for drainage, and of course for compost for nutrition. And this is where I'm going to plant it. So, one of these is sufficient for this bigger planter. This is about 1 foot tall and about 10 inches wide. So I'm just going to take it as it is, and this sprout side up, and I'm just going to bury it a little bit down maybe, so that it's like about 1 inch or 1.5 inches below the soil, and that's it, because these grow like a big plant, so you don't want too many of these in one planter. So I'm going to water it now, and you have to just keep the soil moist, because they are already sprouting, so they'll grow. And then I'm going to just leave it outside, and as they start to grow, I'll keep you posted. It's been 2 weeks, and I can see that the plant has started growing. So one more week has passed, and look at this. This tiny leaf has started to open up. And this container is in partial sun, and the soil is moist. It's been a few weeks, and look at this plant now. It has one small leaf that has completely opened up, and another one is coming. So it's growing very nicely. And this container is outside in sun. It gets about 2-3 hours of direct sun and then filtered light the whole day. So the sun was a little harsh earlier. I could see that the leaves were kind of drying up. Like, look at this one. So I moved it to an area where it gets partial sun, and now they are doing much better. The soil looks a little dry, so I'm going to water it up. But other than that, they are doing great. If you look at our taro plants, they are doing just fabulous. They are in partial sun. I water them every day, and the leaves are growing bigger and bigger. They are becoming taller. So this one is like 15 inches tall. This is a foot tall. Again, this is about 15 inches tall, and this is a foot tall. So now you can, or actually I will, uh, start harvesting these leaves, because in Indian cooking you make snacks out of it. So I'm going to start harvesting these leaves. Just cut them at the bottom here. Leave at least a few leaves on the plant. Don't just cut all of them, but you can start cutting a few of them and start using them, and they'll keep on growing new leaves, and hopefully they are growing taro roots underneath too. But my main purpose was to harvest these leaves and use them in cooking, and that's what I'm going to do. And in the next video, when they become big and I harvest the roots, then I'll show you that. So I'm going to cut these today, almost at the bottom. Just make sure that you don't cut all the leaves from a plant. By the way, you should never consume taro plant leaves without cooking them, because it has calcium oxalate, which can irritate your throat. So they should be thoroughly cooked for at least 25-30 minutes, steamed, fried, whatever, and only then you should consume them. There you go. Now I'm going to make patra from this. So you wash the leaves, remove the stems, and then make a paste of chickpea flour and spices. Put the paste on the leaves and stack them, and then roll them and put the paste all around, and then you steam them for at least 30 minutes, and then when they are cold, then you cut them and then fry them, and ta-da, they are ready. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.